So it's Hamburg day 2 and we just woke up.
Yeah, the weather is kind of chilly once again, and we are spending this day at least here.
Yeah, the place we are, you didn't see yesterday when it was so dark, but there's river just by us, or canal. We're following this river around the central, and we are going to, I think it's central of Hamburg, I don't know. In the maps it looks like.
Yeah, there's dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Kind of retard looking, but I'm sure it's artwork, so.
Yeah. Yeah, Germans are awesome. They put dinosaurs in their yards.
So he is like at 25 years old, so not a new one.
Ah. And they have to repaint it and fix it. So that is 2012.
That is early 19th. And the winter time. Someone looks like burned it.
Yeah, the market was pretty great. It was quite long. It was from one U-Bahn station to another.
Yeah, I thought it would never end.
Yeah, and there was everything that you need. Meat, vegetables, flowers, leather, sweets, yeah. So it's Friday morning now,
Yeah.
and it was full. Like there was hundreds of people.
Yeah.
And it's kind of interesting because are there people doing work at the moment?
Yeah, they're just shopping.
Or are we missing something? Have we done something wrong the whole life? There's a really big harbor in Hamburg, so yeah.
One of the largest in Germany.
Yeah. No.
The river is there.
So,
Floating away.
so we are following the river. So the creative parking, as you can see, it's pretty creative. So
How that one can get out?
yeah, there. These are backups.
Okay. There's a little spot
Yeah.
he can
Use. So
Okay.
so every time there's a tree, it's this way.
Small cars can park that way, obviously.
Yeah. This is quite creative. Like I don't think the city engineers has planned this parking like this. There's no yard anymore below those cars, so they have done that for quite long time. Yeah, quite nice yards the Germans have here. This river.
There must be quite of rich people in Hamburg, because I don't think regular people live in those mansions.
Yeah, this place is good for boondocking because the other neighborhoods are always quiet and safe. So this long road where you can put your van.
Yeah, like for example here. Nope. Yay!
Omaperäinen. No siis katomaasturi.
Audi's just being Audi.
Fuck the rules. These railway stations always reminds me that we are in Germany because everything else looks like Middle European. I don't know.
Yeah. They look like Russian ones. They do.
Those what?
Yeah. And Pietari.
Oh, in Petersburg.
Sankt Petersburg.
Yeah. Well,
Similar.
it has something similar.
Yeah.
Into
Russia has
it.
the railway station that look exactly the same.